everyone present here. First, I welcome the Honorable Chief Guests, contestants from other centers, and the lovable audience. So, as you all know, this is the Kindle Youth Parliament. So, on to my left is the non-ruling party, and on to my right is the ruling party. So, first let's go with the ruling party. He is Mr. Mohit, representing the ruling party and from the Education Ministry. He is Mr. Pranesh, representing the ruling party and from the Agricultural Ministry. Next, non-ruling party. He is Mr. Omar, he is Mr. Syed, and he is Mr. Rohit. So let us start the show with a big round of applause. So, Mr. Omar, what question do you have to ask him?
First question for Master Mohit is, Mr. Educational Minister, even though we have rules on child labor, why isn't it stopping? Even is the ruling party also involved in it?
It's the responsibility of every Indian citizens to stop it. If they find any case and report it to the nearby police station.
Many schools don't have a proper well-maintained toilet and other facilities. Why is there a difference?
Why is there a difference when it comes to government and private schools? What is the government doing to improve the government schools? We have conducted a course on all our government schools and working on it. I hope by next academic year we will be provided.
Okay, going to Mr. Syed. What question do you have, sir?
What steps have you taken to improve the facilities of education in government school?
By next academic year, we will be having the facilities in our government schools, sir. We will be having the smart class facilities and the period of extracurricular activities.
Okay, we have come to the end of the Education Ministry. Now we'll go to the Agricultural Ministry. Mr. Rohit, what questions do you have to ask Mr. Pranesh?
My first question is, nowadays farmers are commit suicide due to water scarcity. Since the farmers are the backbone of India and the food they provide us. So what have you done for this?
Is this a good question? If yes, you may say yes. Yes. More louder.
Yes.
Thank you.
In a recent party meeting, we have decided to form a committee with the help of the social officials like the Social Justice Department. They provide us the necessary needs and to be taken.
Next question, Mr. Rohit.
My next question is, nowadays farmers are moving from their artificial professions to other professions. So what is your concern on promoting agriculture as their profession?
As I said earlier, the establishment of the committee, corrective measures will be taken.
Okay, sir. Mr. Syed, what questions do you have?
In foreign countries, agricultural technologies are well developed. Why not in India?
For this, we need more fund and also we need the support from the central government. We need the support from the central government and I hope we will get it soon as possible.
Okay, anyways, we have come to the end of the show. So I hope everyone must have got their answers for the questions you had in your thoughts. So here, Mr. Omar and Syed asked about education and Mr. Syed and Rohit asked about agriculture. So we have come to the end of the show.